everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
Guess what time it is?
It's time for Rebecca to have a what the fuck? It's the video thing's getting a little irritating. All right, so Jimbro, Skeletor, Blue Venom, Terrifier, or Ghost-faced Santa Claus? Which one? What do we do?
Let's do Venom since it's already open.
All right. Well, it's open because our son doesn't have boundaries. And he mutilated
At least
the package.
you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. He's gonna play with it anyways. Okay, Blue Venom, which I believe is Peter Brock. I think this is that weird universe where it's half Peter, half Brock. I don't know, it's bullshit. So we got yourself some happy boy hands.
I like it when they do that.
Nipple pinchy fingers. Bust you on the face hands. Aggressive boob grabbing hands. Ooh, with magnets.
Ooh.
I grab them titties all day long, huh? Super aggressive back scratching hands. Because, you know, Venom's all about that. And apparently Peter Brock has a foot fetish because we got extra.
It's got magnets on the bottom of it.
Oh, yeah, this one. Oh, yeah, that's right. This one's the magnet one. That's right. Okay, what do we got? We got ourselves a smiling head. That's that one. There you go. Then we got a bunch of web stuff.
Are they magnetic?
These are not magnetic. Where would you put a magnet in this?
Well, I figured since it had magnetic hands, and
there you go. I'm going to use one of these to make it look like he's an Italian guy choking another guy to death. Then he's got his little plastic, don't let me get scratched up in transit. Okay. Let me take this offline while I take this, take the plastic. And we're back. Okay, so we can hit the pretty much the T kind of Y pose. Boom. Head turns all around. He's got his standard hands on, which are, I don't know, ball cupping hands. There you go. His diaper's pretty good. It allows for good mobility. He can't do a full split, but it's not bad. Let's see if he can do the instant balance himself pose. There you go. You saw it here first. Oh, fuck.
that's okay.
Okay. So his flexibility is good. He's got nice butterfly joints. He's going to be... It looks like he's going to do a lot better than the SH Spider-Man. I hate this. I'm not even going to lie. This is I regret buying this figure. I regret buying that figure.
Then
The flexibility is absolute. I have better flexibility than that, and I took a fucking life-altering injury, and I still can flex better than that guy. Let's see. Can we get Venom into questionable swinging through the air pose? Oh yeah, there we go. I'll include a bunch of photos. Oh, since he's magnetic. Hey, let's see if he sticks to the fuck. If he sticks to the holy shit, his feet come off way too easy.
All of his body parts do.
Yeah, his leg came off right out of the package, but we're going to do the ultimate test by letting my son play with him. If he breaks him in the first 24 hours, back in the package, and refund time. Let's go see if he goes on to the... Come on, Hux. Don't mind the mess, but we got a lot of bullshit everywhere, so... Oh, fuck you. Really?
Doesn't hit the refrigerator.
What am I supposed to stick it to? Okay. For those that don't know, if you want a really good magnet, it's called a neodymium magnet, okay? They come in little cubes. I'll show you what they look like. Okay, these things are wonderful. You can hot glue them to the bottom of your Spider-Man people feet. Okay, and you can stick these things anywhere. This is a package. You find it on Amazon. It's called a neodymium magnet. They look like this. These are no joke. They don't like to crash into each other because they will break each other. But these are absolute no joke. What you do is you get one, you break it in half, hot glue it to the bottom of a foot. You're going to stick this thing anywhere, and you'd have to kick it off the fridge to get it to fall off the fridge. But this is, oh, Jesus Christ. It won't even stick to another magnet. This is our Do Not Disturb from the shades of green. If you know, you know. Placed in Florida. It's where veterans go to stay when we're going to Disney World. We're big Disney World people. Shit, what else do I got? What do I got? Pair of scissors, right? Oh, this is pathetic. That's pathetic. If you're going to put magnets on your figure, okay, and you don't put neodymium magnets in there, what are you doing? Okay? All right. There you go, Hux. There you go. If it don't break in 24 hours, we keep it. If it breaks, c'est la vie. I'm going to include a bunch of photos, but until then, thank you for liking and subscribing. We got a video coming out real soon thanking the public, you people, for making us who we are. A bunch of you are here for my writing stuff, clearly not my speaking stuff, and the other half are here for our toy reviews, or my wife's toy reviews and her, you know what I'm saying, because I'll do the cleavage as well. Do I do the cleavage as well? What do you think? Am I getting lots of likes? Come on. Get that. I got to get at least one like for that. Somebody comment. Oh, I gave you another one. One more like. All right. So on to the photos, and we'll put them through his paces. And next up, we're either going to do Jim Bro Skeletor, which I thank my wife, Leslie, for getting for me because I could not.
Within seconds.
Yeah, it was sold out super quick, which is shitty because I got a lot of friends that wanted it. We're going to do Ghostface. And actually, you know what? Not to bore anybody, I'm going to do a horror double feature, Ghostface and Terrifier 2. How about that? Okay, and then we got a bunch of Zesray Studio stuff right here. Look, I'm just waiting for my other two figures to come in. They're on the way now from Big Bad Toy Store. So, unless you want to do those. But until then, this has been Slade on Slade. Your man Onan, I got you. And this is definitely not for children version because I said the F word once or twice. Okay, so mute shit. Okay, we're back. And I hot glued the neodymium magnets. They're pretty easy to crack. You cannot do it by hand. Don't do that. Cut yourself. Okay, take it outside, whack it with a little hammer, boom. Okay. And I fucked it up. Fuck me. All right. Well, we're going to do it with just one. Look, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da. This is how easy it is. Look at that. Foot stayed. So that means it's still 100%. That's how strong it is, you know. But I didn't let the hot glue set long enough. So if you want to take your Spider-Man game to the next level, neodymium magnets. Put them on the bottom of the foot. Put it on the, you know, don't use tack gum. It ain't going to work because when you try to pull it away, the tack gum. But you're going to be able to put these guys in all sorts of... Is that magnetic in there?
Nope.
Fuck me. What about this? What in the... Absolute...
Plastic.
There we go. See that? Look at that. That's pretty good to shake it around like that. So you want to up your game, boom. And if not, and you like your shelf space, you don't have it. If you have shelf space, have no magnet, so just hot glue their feet. It's really easy to take the hot glue residue off. You just use super hot water. Not boiling water, it will ruin paint, but you guys know that already. Okay, so, you know, photos incoming, and please hit that like. Leave me any kind of comment you want. We appreciate everything.
Slade on Slade when stories rise. Figures come alive before your eyes. Like, subscribe, don't be late. See you next time on Slade on Slade. Slade on Slade. Time on Slade on Slade. Slade on Slade where stories rise. Figures come alive before your eyes. Like, subscribe, don't be late. See you next time on Slade, on Slade, on Slade, on Slade, on Slade, on Slade.